what's up? It's me, Opposite, and we are here today doing a brand new video. Today we have something very exciting on the agenda. We are going to be visiting a little like Hello Kitty heaven. Like, I'm not even joking, guys. It's called Miniso. They have so much sanrio stuff and all of that, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me because I'm super duper excited. I've been getting a lot more into Hello Kitty. Like, as a kid, I always used to love her. Obviously, everybody, like, who doesn't love Hello Kitty? But we are literally just going to be getting ready right now. I have to put some more blush on because, like, I don't know, I just feel like this blush is kind of hard to build up, but I'm super excited to bring you guys with me. So yeah, I'm literally just going to get ready and we're going to head to the mall at the store. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so we are back from Miniso and I'm literally just going to go right into the bag and just do the haul because I'm super excited to see what I got, since I did get like some reveal packages and stuff, and I'm literally like so excited to open it. And I also wanted to try a Boba tea that I got, but also I wanted to mention some of the stuff I got is my sister's stuff, so she did already open it, but I thought why not just show you guys like what she got also, because like why not, because the stuff is just cute no matter what. But I'm gonna show you some of the stuff she got and the stuff I got that I didn't open yet or anything, because like I said, they are reveal boxes. Yeah, the bag is so huge. Like, I'm literally gonna show you guys right now. This bag is just completely huge. I can't even fit it in the frame, but also if you flip it around, it has Care Bears on it. Oh my god, guys, like I used to love Care Bears so much growing up. Like, I just loved that show so much, and honestly I miss it like so much. Maybe they're bringing a show back for Care Bears. Like, I wish they would, because like we need that. Like, the new generation needs that. But yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. So the first thing I got was this cute little cinnamon roll lamp, I believe. It is a nightlight, and apparently I think it has like scent to it. I'm not really sure. It is just like a rechargeable. It has like soft light, and I thought this would be really cute in my room, like on my little area where my books are. But yeah, I just had to get this. I just think it's a really cute decoration for my room, so I'm super excited to test this out and like really like use it. Favorite, because I love Cinnamon Roll like so much. Like, he is just so adorable, so cute, so fluffy. I just really love him. And then the next one I got was this little mystery box with My Melody. So you have a choice of getting either of these ones right here, so I'm not really sure which one I'm going to get. But guys, when I was checking out at the store, there was these two employees that I was kind of like scared to film in there for some reason. Like, I was just kind of shy, basically because this was like my first time filming out in public. Really like on the low with it and just trying to like use my camera and just like look around with this stuff. It was actually really embarrassing. When I went to check out, the girl was like, oh my god, were you vlogging? And I was like, yeah, I was vlogging, and low-key I was kind of scared you guys were gonna say something, but she ended up being really nice and we exchanged like YouTubes and stuff. So if you're watching this, hi girl, what's up? I love your makeup. Yeah, I have this little My Melody and I'm super excited to open this because it is a mystery box. The employee also said that I could like buy out the box and get this like separately with whatever one I wanted, you know. So I didn't do that because I'm making a video and the whole purpose was for me to like unbox it with you guys. And then I also got another mystery box. I think you can get like all these other characters in there, like all of these 6 characters. So again, I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. And then finally, another thing that I got for myself was this boba milk tea, and oh my god guys, I'm definitely going to drink this on camera in the end because I personally don't really like boba, but I don't know, like I'm gonna give this a try because why not? Hopefully it's probably good. Like honestly, it looks good. Like it's cute, it's purple, of course, like I might like it, but we'll see. Okay, like I said, my sister did unpack everything that she got, but I just wanted to show you guys anyway, and it looks like she had some crowns on on it already. But she got this cute little My Melody bag, and oh my god, this is so cute. Like I'm honestly obsessed with My Melody, but cinnamon roll is definitely my favorite, but she literally got this because she really loves My Melody. As you guys can see, I have a My Melody plushie right here, and then my little cinnamon roll. These are the Valentine's Day. Yeah, these two right here are Valentine's Day like exclusive or limited edition, I'm pretty sure. So I got those at a drugstore actually, and I was pretty surprised that I found like Hello Kitty stuff at a drugstore, but you know, I had to buy them. So the only 2 that were left, by the way, and I literally had to get them. Like there's no other reason, you know. And then my sister got this Kuromi little like bed. I guess it's like a little baby doll bed, and this is really cute. Honestly, it looks so adorable and really cute. And then she also got this, guys, and to be quite honest, I have no clue what this is. I have no clue what this is. I literally don't know. I think it might be just like a wand or something. It has Kuromi on it, and it is so freaking adorable, like so cute. Love it, love it. And then she also got this little My Melody thing, and it's like you open it and it's like a little mini bag, guys. Like this is so cute. She's obviously going to use this for like her little toys and stuff like that, but I think what I would do with this is just like store jewelry or something in it, or just like makeup products, to be honest. But this is so cute. And then lastly, she also got this Kuromi little like stress relief thing that you squeeze, and I told her she should definitely like put Kuromi in this little bed, and like look at her, she's just laying down in the little bed. This is so cute, guys. Like I'm obsessed. Okay guys, so I am going to try this drink right now, and then at the end I'm going to reveal what I got in my boxes with you guys. So yeah, this is the boba milk tea. Like I said, again, we're going to give it a try. It is cold because my room was already cold today, and yeah, I'm going to open it. So we're opening it, guys, and it already has like a weird smell. Oh my god, I'm struggling. Okay, so I opened it, guys, and we're gonna give it a try. Let's see what it tastes like. Hopefully I like this, guys. Like I'm kind of scared. We're gonna try it though. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. That actually tastes really good. What the heck? I am super duper picky, and guys, this actually tastes like really good. It tastes like milk almost, but like, I don't know. It tastes so weird. It tastes so like almost like almond milk. I don't know how to describe it, but like coffee at the same time. I don't know if it has like the boba balls in it, because I personally don't like boba balls like at all. Now I'm done trying that drink out. We are going to jump right into opening my mystery boxes. Okay guys, so I'm going to open them up. I'm going to open this one up first. So let's see what we have in here. It says to cut it with scissors, but we're just gonna do that. And oh my god, I really hope I get cinnamon roll. If not, I can always go back and just, you know, buy it separately. But let's see what I got. Oh my god, I hope it's cinnamon roll, guys. I'm not playing. Like, oh my god. Wait, oh my god. This is just a shell. Okay, this is the reveal of what I got. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god! I got this little character. Wait, which one is this? Okay, this is the little twin star, so I got her. I'm gonna set her up on her little shell and we're gonna take a look at her. Here she is on her little shell. She looks super duper cute. I'm honestly not mad at all that I got her. Honestly, I wouldn't be mad whichever one I got, to be honest, because they're literally all so adorable. But we're gonna open my Melody one now also. So here we go. Let's see what we got, guys. Okay, this one is way bigger and it looks like it comes with something. I think the other one also comes with this little, I guess it's just like a little cardboard thing. Really cute. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what we got in this one, guys. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Like, what the heck? And it also comes like with a little mini one. I am so in love. So let's open this. Guys, look at how cute this is. Like, honestly, oh my god. Like, I am honestly so happy that I got both of these. They are honestly so cute. The shell is not on the back of it because it keeps falling off, but look at how cute these are, guys. I'm so obsessed. This is such a great purchase, to be honest. I will be going back. Okay guys, so that is pretty much everything that I got at Miniso. I'm definitely going to be making another trip back there and get more things, especially some more beauty stuff, because I definitely did see a lot of that. I'm going to continue to drink my milk tea, and I'm so happy that I actually got this, especially this flavor. I actually really like it. It's so good. Like, it's just so good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more. Bye guys.